You make about 35,000 decisions a day. Most of them, your brain runs on autopilot. The world's best thinkers don't have faster brains. They have better tools. Here are 7 of them. Philip Tetlock, a psychologist at the University of Pennsylvania, spent 20 years tracking who predicts the future accurately. The winners, he calls them superforecasters, weren't geniuses. They just thought in models. Steal these 7. Number 1. First principles. Most people copy the answer. First principles thinkers tear the question down to its bricks and rebuild. Elon Musk did this with rockets. Instead of paying the going price, he asked, "What is a rocket actually made of?" Metal, fuel, electronics. He bought the raw parts and built it cheaper. The rule: don't ask, "How does everyone do this?" Ask, "What is this, really?" Number 2. Inversion. Don't ask, "How do I succeed?" Ask, "How do I fail?" Then avoid that. Want a great relationship? List every way to ruin one. Want to keep your money? List every way to lose it. Charlie Munger called this thinking backwards. It works because the brain is much better at spotting danger than chasing rewards. Number 3. Second-order thinking. Most people stop at the first consequence. I'll eat the cake. Yum. Second-order thinkers ask, and then what? And after that? The first answer is sugar. The second is the crash. The third is wanting more. Every choice is a chain of dominoes, and most regret comes from only looking at the first one. Number 4. Opportunity cost. Every yes is a silent no. 2 hours scrolling is 2 hours not reading, not training, not sleeping. The real price of something isn't the money. It's the better thing you didn't choose. Once you see this, you stop saying yes so easily. Number 5. Base rates. Your brain loves a vivid story. My friend's startup blew up. I'll do the same. But around 90% of startups fail. That's the base rate. Tetlock's superforecasters always start there. How often does this actually happen, on average? The story in your head almost never beats the long-run number. Number 6. Hanlon's razor. Never assume malice when stupidity, busyness, or forgetting will do. Your friend didn't text back? Probably not a betrayal. Probably a notification they missed. Most of the people who hurt your feelings weren't aiming at you. You just walked into their distraction. Number 7. Circle of competence. Warren Buffett's rule: know what you know what you don't, and stay inside the line. You don't need to be smart about everything. You need to be honest about what's inside your circle. Most disasters happen one step outside it. Here's the fix. You don't need all 7 today. Pick one. Run every decision through it for a week. Watch how much sharper your thinking gets. Then add the next. Tetlock's superforecasters didn't get there with one tool. They stacked them, one habit at a time.